Hi, are you an aspirant preparing for civil service examination? Well, I'm here to tell you that ForumIAS, the most trusted institution for UPSC civil service exam preparation, is launching its flagship Prelims-cum-Mains foundation program that will take care of a unified 360-degree preparation roadmap for a civil service exam journey so that you are best prepared to ace the examination in one go. Here you do all four things at once: classroom sessions, answer writing sessions, solving MCQs from day one, and understanding current issues. This is opposed to conventional programs where you do foundation in the first year, prelims preparation at the end of foundation program, and answer writing practice in the next year, making civils a 3-year long journey. Our comprehensive guidance program is the most innovative and unique program available at present, which follows a hybrid model covering 6 key pillars: lectures, doubt sessions, quality resources, weekly assessment, mentoring support, and all India open tests. The lectures will be conducted by experienced faculty members and are designed in a hybrid manner where you can choose between online and offline modes. Interactive doubt sessions will be held regularly to address your queries along with test paper discussions. You will be provided with daily handouts covering both static and dynamic current issues for your mains-oriented preparation. Regular assessment will be held from week 1 through weekend revision tests in a MCQ plus subjective model focusing on prelims practice and answer writing for mains, simultaneously from the first week itself. With our mentorship support, you will get in-person, telephonic, and email support at every point of your preparation from our selected members to guide you at every step of your journey. Lastly, there will be all India open tests to give you a feel of the exam. This will help you gain confidence and have a prepared mindset before actually attempting the CSE prelims and mains. The former students of ForumIAS Academy today serve the government in different capacities with 300 plus selections in 1 year alone. We would be happy to partner up with you to help you achieve your dreams. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now to stay ahead of the curve. Our first CGP batch for CSE 2022 begins on 25th Feb. For more details, you can visit us at academy.forumias.com or call, message or WhatsApp us in the mobile number given in the description.